All right, guys, we are in Gjirokaster. Yo, what's up with it, guys? Look at this place. So this is the top floor. This is the, I guess, like the, what would you call that? The loft, I guess.
Yeah, that's the loft.
And then you got 2 double beds. But look at this place. This place is surreal, guys.
Look at the ceiling too. It's all wood.
This is really nicely remodeled old town house. Check this out, guys. This couch, really, really nice. You got to see the bathroom though. The bathroom is actually really nice.
Isn't it?
Yeah, very remodeled. And he's got the ass bath, which is an integral part of any accommodation. Yeah, this is a nice place. Look at the size of this bathroom. Jesus. Doubles as like storage. Man. But yeah, look at this place. This is a nice accommodation for the price. And of course you got some, I don't know what this is, but it's a painting. Some Jesus thing, I guess. All right, guys, we are in Gjirokaster after a pretty hectic drive up the side of a mountain. We have settled on our old town apartment we have for the night. We're gonna go wander up to the castle, take a look around this old town. This is a place I've been wanting to go for a minute because it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site and it's supposed to be incredible. So come along for the walk and let's see what Gjirokaster has to offer. So we're cruising. Looks like we're more in the old town now because the road just became cobblestone and it is really nice up here. Fresh air, lots of fog, huge mountains everywhere. I mean, this place is pretty cool. Definitely glad we took the time to come and check this out.
Trying to make this work again. Thank you for supporting me.
Yeah, so the old town's pretty amazing. What do you think so far?
Yeah, it's
Very,
awesome.
very cool.
I'm really loving it.
Very quaint and rustic.
All right, so it looks like we just made it to the old bazaar. I'll have a look around. I've only been to a couple old bazaars. The one in Skopje was pretty awesome, so let's see what this one's like. What do you think of when you think of Albania? I think of opportunity. I think of a country that's open. I think of a country that wants long stay expats, that wants people to come and invest, wants new ideas, and is looking towards the West. I think that Albania is a beautiful country with incredible landscapes that can offer a very comfortable lifestyle at a very reasonable price. We will help navigate your journey to becoming an expat in Albania. We're working with some of the top lawyers. We can help establish businesses. We can help you get your residency. We can help you get real estate. We can arrange almost any contact that you might need for the process of moving here in almost any city in the country. We will simplify the process. We'll make it a lot easier for you to move to a country that maybe in the past would have been more of a challenge. With our help, it's going to be a walk in the park.
Brush your face and wash your teeth, son.
Hey, what's up? I'm D from Canada. Hook up with the New York Nomad if you want a smooth ride into Vietnam or any Southeast Asian countries.
Hey, my name is Aaron. Get in contact with the New York Nomads if you want to get into Vietnam Hit them up, they'll get you in securely and professionally.
Yo, this is Uncle Hollywood. I'm telling you right now, the New York Nomad got me a job. He's legit. Hit him up, check him out.
New York Nomad set me up in Vietnam.
Yo, my man got me a job. Come to Vietnam.
Hey, what's up, guys? You thinking about coming to Vietnam? You're not sure where to start. You've heard a lot of things online. You don't know what's true. You don't know what's not. We offer a consulting service where we help you get on your feet in Vietnam. We give you advice on negotiating contracts with employers. We help you with real estate agents, visa agents that are reliable and that you can trust. And we help you get started in this amazing country and get on your feet. We help you get into different opportunities that might be more difficult for you if you were just landing in the country on your own. And we help you avoid a lot of the pitfalls and problems that you could have as a newcomer here. We provide you with reliable job recruiters, visa agents, real estate agents, and advice. If you guys are thinking about coming to Vietnam, hit us up for a consultation. We'll help you get started, help you get on your feet, and hopefully you'll love Vietnam as much as we do.